Okay, this is a continuation again of how to put on the diaphragm to the motor assembly, attach it, and make sure the polarity is right on a Clements Solus loudspeaker ribbon mid-range tweeter unit. Once again, the two leads, one is positive and one is negative. To determine which is which, you need a 9-volt battery. If you're touching the positive lead of the battery to the positive lead, whichever it might be, of the diaphragm, what will happen is that when you touch the two together, the negative to the negative, the diaphragm will go up, as you can see beginning to happen right here. See that? You can see it's going up. That means that's in phase. So on this unit, which it needs to be, for all of the applications for this ribbon on Clements or Solus loudspeakers, that means that this particular unit or this lead, the middle lead, if you will, or if you're looking at it straight down, the lead here to the almost in the middle, that's the positive lead. The other lead would be negative, to show you what happens otherwise if you take and you put the positive lead to the negative side of the battery and the negative side to the positive. You'll see the diaphragm begin to go down. It'll actually pull down if you look at it. So that tells you that was out of phase, and that's what you don't want. So what I recommend then is to then take some form of a red type of pencil or something of that nature, or some way to mark the positive lead side and the negative lead side. All you need is the positive. So I would mark it, for example, in a red ink or a red pencil or something of that nature. Or if you want to wrap the leads, maybe you're going to use some black electrical tape. You might use that and put that on the black side, and on one side do it all the way up, maybe to 1/4 inch, and the other side maybe that shows the negative, and the other side maybe up to 1/2 inch, leaving a little exposed. But you want to know and identify the positive lead on each side. So when hitting it with the battery, positive to positive, whatever lead this is, will make the diaphragm go up. That's what you want. And that lead, whichever then was positive going to positive with the battery, would be the positive lead. That will be important later as well to know. Obviously, you want the crossover leads to be positive to positive. The crossover lead coming in from the crossover of the speaker, that would then, the tweeter lead, the positive one, would hook up to the positive lead of the ribbon, and the negative to the negative side.